Okay, so I have cleaned all these mating surfaces on the cylinder head and also on the camshaft carrier. So I used this pad. It's actually from the dishwashing pad under the sponge under this side. So I just took the scraping pad and used it to clean the mating surfaces, and I used also the engine degreaser to do that. It's quite easy. You just make them all wet with this engine degreaser and then scrap with this. So we have got relatively clean surfaces. I also clean the inside. There's a lot of dirt deposits from oil burning the black thing. Not very clean, but much better than before. I can show you what I have got from cleaning the inside. So here you see that the thing I got out. You see the inside, the oil, there's something, and actually I used this tool to just scrap out all the dirty things, and just use this can and get all this that much dirt out from inside the cylinder head and also from the camshaft carrier. So that worked so far, and I will continue to clean it final time, clean all this surface final time, and we're going to use a gasket, the paste, and install the tappet, the rocker on the tappet, and then the camshaft carrier. Okay, so I will do more video.